Assalamu alaikum. I am from Psych team, personal assistant of chairperson. On this independence, Psych passed a resolution. In this resolution, we, the Psych team, committed to tackle the mental health issues and lack of awareness about mental health. Independence is not just absence of oppression; it is a presence of opportunities, dignity, and right to live a fulfilling life. But as we look around today, we realize that true independence extends beyond our political freedom. It includes the freedom of mind, the freedom to live without the invisible chain of mental illness. So, we believe that mental health is not just a personal issue, but it's a worldwide issue. It impacts our families, our workplaces, and our communities at large. Mental health is a foundation upon which we build our lives, our relationships, and our futures. Yet, despite its significance, mental health often remains in shadow, neglected, and misunderstood by people. As we celebrate the progress we have made a nation, we must also confront the challenges that lie ahead. One of the most pressing challenging situation is that mental health crisis that affects millions of our fellow and citizens. Mental health is not a luxury, it is a necessity, and we have to understand this thing. Just as we prioritize physical health, we must also prioritize the well being of our minds. We are committed to play a crucial role in resolving the mental health issues that plague our society. But this is not a task we can accomplish alone. It's require a collective of efforts, communities, and policy markers working together to create a society where mental health is valued and protected. So, on this day of national pride, let us resolve and take the necessary steps to address mental health with the urgency and seriousness it deserves. Let us work towards a future where everyone has access to mental health when they need, where no stigma longer stands in the way of seeking help, and where every individual can thrive emotionally and socially, also mentally. Together, we can build a healthier, more resilient society. Let this be our new frontier of independence, a nation free from burden of untreated mental illness. So, in mental health resolution, Psych team discuss the following key points. One of recognition of mental health as a fundamental right, accessibility to mental health services, education and awareness, community support system, workplace mental health policies, integration into public health strategy, support for vulnerable populations, and collaboration with policy markers. True freedom is not just about physical or political independence, it's about emotional or mental well being. This Independence Day, let us ask yourself, are you free from stigma associated with mental health issues? Are we free to openly discuss our struggles without fear of judgment? And are we free to seek help without feeling ashamed? If the answer to any of these questions is no, then our work is far from done. Let this day be a reminder that freedom includes the mental right to mental health. And we must work together to create a society where everyone feels supported and understood. Our fight for freedom continues, and now it's time to break free from the invisible chains that hold us back. Thank you so much and happy Independence Day.